Hey everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel. And so Valentine's Day is in a couple of days, and I don't know about you, but I'm a single Pringle and I still would like to participate in the holiday festivities. And so if you're a single Pringle like me, then this is a perfect video for you, because I'm not just making red velvet cupcakes, I'm making a small batch of red velvet cupcakes, because I could easily make a regular batch and I could eat them all, but doesn't mean I probably should. And so this makes exactly 4 cupcakes, and I'm going to be linking the website where I got this recipe down below, so check it out. And so even if you're single or if you're, just home alone, make your favorite dinner or buy yourself your favorite chocolates or your favorite flowers. Treat yourself, because you don't need to be in a relationship to do that. And so I'm going to show you how to make this small batch of red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese icing. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to take a large bowl with some oil, some sugar, some buttermilk, an egg white, and some red food coloring, with some vanilla extract and some white vinegar, and give that a good mix. And I'm going to leave all of the measurements in the description box, so check that out if you want. Okay, now we're going to start on our dry ingredients. So we got our flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and give that a good whisk. Okay, so we got our dry ingredients, we got our wet ingredients. So now we're going to put about half of our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients, just so we don't make a big mess, just portion it out a little bit. So we're just mixing up our first batch, and now we are putting in our second batch, and just give that a good mix. And this is what our red velvet batter looks like. Absolutely amazing. Okay, and so I found a bunch of really cute Valentine's themed cupcake liners, and you can use, of course, whatever you want. Some have hearts, some have X's and O's, and some say be mine. I thought that these were so cute and so festive. And so now I'm going to take a ice cream scoop and just start scooping our batter into our cupcake liners. Okay, and so now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 19 to 22 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to start on our cream cheese icing. So I got some cream cheese, some butter, some buttermilk, some powdered sugar, some vanilla extract, and give that a good mix. Okay, and so this is what our cream cheese icing looks like. It looks nice and smooth and absolutely delicious. Okay, and so now we got our cupcakes. They're nice and cool and ready to go. And so now I just put my icing in a piping bag, and now I'm just going to start icing my cupcakes. And I'll be honest, I ended up adding half a teaspoon of buttermilk because I thought the icing was a little too thick for my liking, but then it ended up coming out a little too runny. And so you can just make it to your liking of consistency, if you like it more thick or more runny, however you prefer. So if you like it thick, add more powdered sugar. If you like it thin, then just add more buttermilk. And I also found these really cute Valentine's themed picks that you can put on top of your cupcake, and it's hearts, and then some say Happy Valentine's Day, and they are absolutely so cute. I just had to get them. And so I'm just going to pop them in, and there you have it. And there you have it, a small batch of red velvet cupcakes. I really hope you enjoyed this video, because I, as always, enjoy making it for you. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And also, I just want to take a second to say thank you, because we have officially reached over 100 subscribers here on my YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it. I am just like blown away at the fact that we are over 100. And so thank you again, not just for subscribing, but just for watching my videos in general. I mean, I love filming and cooking and baking for you guys, and I just hope that you enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them. And And so here's to 100 subscribers. Now let's get to 200. Thank you guys again so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.